you knew his name. I wore the crown before you sought the king. I promised power before you learned surrender. I called myself forever. Then the endless spoke, endless light. Lie walks first, the truth walks longer. Fear speaks louder, faith grows stronger. The serpent bargains, the soul decides. The poison smiles, the fire divides. Kings, thieves, prophets, liars. Kings, thieves, prophets, liars. Every heartbeat, borrowed fire. You can't buy mercy, you can't outrun truth. The infinite shines on me, on you. The same light burns our soul. The same light burns our soul. Same sun on the saints, same sun on the snake. Same breath in the judge, same breath on the mud. Rain never asks whose hands are clean. Fire doesn't ask where you've been. The light keeps falling and the vessel keeps calling. The light keeps falling and the vessel keeps calling. Mercy keeps giving, judgment always waits. Mercy opens doors with judgment, a seal on fate. Fate, fate, fate. The same light burns us all. I crowned myself with borrowed trust. I called myself the morning star. I never knew the Lord from afar. The endless needs no kingdom. The endless needs no army. The endless needs no crown. His light reaches abundantly. The fortress, battlefield, hunt the game. One source, countless vessels, endless flame. Infinite reflections, the light doesn't change. The heart decides what it became. Mercy before the verdict, truth before execution. See the infinite inside. inside.